In this video, we are building my February planner, and it's a Frankenplanner, which means it's several planners combined and put together, starting with the Go-Getter Girl scallop disc planner, which is gorgeous. So as I share, I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the month of February in each of the 3 planners that I'm using right now. This one is a daily planner, so each page is a day, and then the weekends get a page. So a page for each day of the month. I'm using that part for my daily schedule, just kind of keeping things together for my main planner. Then right behind that, I'm using this Happy Planner, which is a monthly layout planner. I just love the cover, and I put pink discs on it. So let's go back and grab the month of February out of this Happy Planner. It's a classic and it's a monthly layout. So it looks like this, has little check marks, and that is turning out to be fantastic for me keeping track of videos. Really good layout for that. And then the third planner I'm using is a Happy Planner, but it's the horizontal layout, and this one is the Disney Nightmare Before Christmas, and I just love that it's whimsical and fun, and it has a horizontal layout for journaling, and this one I'm decorating. Here is one of Wrong's covers. She has a collection of planner covers that fit the classic size 9-disc planners. And they are so cute, and I wanted this one for February because of these purses. I just think they're adorable, and they're in like my favorite colors, like pink, purple, blush, red. Like this one looks like my planner cover. This one looks like my planner cover. Really cute. And then I just grabbed some pink mini discs, because when you just use 1 month out of each of your planners and you're using a few different ones, it's really thin, so you can kind of keep everything together and not too big and bulky and heavy. And then I just grabbed out of my stash a folder from one of the Happy Planner collections. I think this was the Joanne Mega Box, where they had like a box of accessories. And I just liked the colors for February. It's like a salmon pink, but it's not bright. I just thought it kind of went with the colors, and it says, keep it together. So let's put this together. We're starting off with my gorgeous no-teak planner cover. I have a whole video about unboxing this and all the details on it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love my no-teak products, and I just ordered the lunch boxes in the same color. I also have a matching pen from Villa Beautiful. Oh, so cute. So I'm going to start with that. Go ahead and put the discs on the planner cover, and I also need to grab some sticky notes, and I'll probably pull in my extra paper later when I switch from January to February. I'll pull that section out, but I think I have some cute sticky notes I want to put in here now. Okay, I found these cute animal print sticky notes. Those will go in the back, I think. I think that's how I've been doing it for January. I'll have to look and see what I did. Of course, you can move those things around however you want. Okay, I just shopped my stash for some bookmarks and dashboards that I liked. And I found some that I haven't even used yet. This one was from another one of those boxes. I think this was from the pastel accessories box. I'm not sure if it has that stuff you have to peel. It looks like it actually doesn't, but look how pretty this is. Admire someone else's beauty without questioning your own. So I like to put a bookmark or dashboard in all of the planner sections so that I can just flip right to the page that I need to work on. I'm going to go ahead and put this one here, and then add one into February where I would flip to work on projects. And then look at this one. I have the Wrong shoes dashboard to go with the purses. So cute. All right, and I found this one, which I think matches that folder that I chose. And it's like pink for February, and so is this one. Look how cute. It's like light pink with polka dots. All right, so this one will go here. This one, it's also shiny. It looks like it doesn't have that stuff, but I'll fight with that stuff later if it's on there. Oh yeah, maybe it is. I don't know. I'm not going to deal with it right now. But the new dashboards have that cellophane protective layer on them that you have to peel off. All right, why does this seem like it's stuck? This one might be cut wrong. Look at that. It might be a dud. I've never had one that's a dud, but this is certainly not fitting right. All right, I'm taking that back off. Never mind. I'll have to find another one, but let's put this one in. This one's good because I've used it before. So we're going to go to... Actually, I might want this one in the back. It's so cute. Another idea for these dashboards is whenever you have extra things in the back and you know your page isn't going to sit flat like this, you can always put a dashboard behind your page and then you have a nice writing surface. And I think that's what I'm going to do here. So I'll have to go find some more bookmarks to put in between. But, and it's most important to have it on this one because there's so many pages. There's one every day. This, obviously, I can flip right to February and it's easy to find. So it's not as important. And same with this one because it's just a weekly spread for each week. Oh my gosh. Also, the weekly spreads for the scallop disc planner are now coming out this week from Go Getter Girl, so I will definitely be ordering those so that I can share the weekly spreads in the disc bound planner, which I'm so excited about. Thank you so much, Go Getter Girl. I'm super excited about that. I'll be ordering those for sure. I love the weekly layout from Go Getter. So this is pretty much what's going to go in my February planner. I'm going to add some more pages to the back, so I'll add my notes section that's in my January planner. We'll go back here and then maybe I'll add a couple more bookmarks because I do love the bookmarks, but this is pretty much it. Let me go ahead and slide. The only thing is I might flip this over. I just love these purses and that's the design I want to look at. Oh, and then I need to do one more thing. I need to add the dates to my undated planner. So I'm going to do that next. So I'm using the stickers from the Essential Dates and Numbers book, and I used these little tiny ones on January, and I really liked it, so I'm going to do that again on my February monthly overview page. Okay, our February monthly page is all set. Let's go ahead and date the daily pages, and I want to use hearts. I have to use hearts for February because it's the month of love. So I have a couple of different heart stickers. The sticker book has some in here that are heart shaped for the daily pages. And then I have another sheet from Simply Gilded. So I want to compare those two and see which ones I like better. Okay, you guys have to see this gorgeous sticker book, I guess, album from Simply Gilded. I put all my little Simply Gilded things in here, like the little sticker sheets and the journaling cards and stuff. It's so cute. I love it. It's adorable. Can peel off this little cover off of that. And here's the little hearts. I think I'm going to use these for February. As always, I'll have links and coupon codes and details about everything in the description box if you're looking for one of these items for yourself. I try to do as much of that as I can so that it's easy to find things, because I hate when I see something and then I can't find it, right? Okay, so the first is Wednesday. So let's see, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's just adjust our pages in here to make sure they're going to work out. Since they're undated, you might have to adjust a little bit. Let me look how the end of my January turned out. Okay, so here's my January Frankenplanner. Isn't it gorgeous? The ice blue discs. So this is how the end of this week goes, January 27th, 28th, 29th. And then, so it'll start Monday on the 30th. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to go over here to our February. So this will be Monday the 30th, Tuesday, Wednesday the 1st, Thursday. I just want to make sure this is right. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to start with these stickers to finish off my January, and then I'll switch to the pink stickers to start February. All right, so I'm just going to grab these two and put them right here. I love that one. I don't know what happened to that one dashboard, why it didn't fit right, but it's okay. I have millions more. I have a whole box of them because that's my favorite. One of my favorite items is the dashboards. So I have extra. All right, so 31 days in January, and February is Wednesday the 1st. So let's start there. Now you can put your dates. You can date your planner, obviously, however you want to date yours. I just kind of like putting the date right here next to my schedule. I don't know. I just like that spot. So I think I'll continue doing that for February. Again, these little hearts are from Simply Gilded. It's a little sticker sheet. I don't remember how I got that or when. These are dated 2020, so I've had them in my stash for a while, but I'll see if something like that is still available from Simply Gilded, but I'm sure you can get date stickers. Okay, now I want to show you this. At the end of this month, I decided to do it the same way. So basically my February is going to end in March, just the way my January ended in February. And Rachel Marie gave us enough pages to do your month either way, to where you can put the entire month inside of the February tab, or you can let them kind of overlap into each month so that you have your whole week together. The way I plan, I like my whole week together, so I'm going to keep them this way. So I'll start off with January 30th here for my daily journaling, and then I will go into February so that my whole week is together. And that means at the end of February, I go to the end of the weekend, which is February 26th. And then I'm going to start off March with 27, 28. So let me grab my March and go ahead and do that now. You guys, this is so pretty. Isn't this so pretty? I love my planners this year. I'm so happy. Okay, so we're going to start off March with the end of February. So we're going to put 27 and 28 here. And then we'll start off March with a new sticker. Here's our last little heart, February 28th. There. So pretty. So pretty. I love it. Okay. So I have 2 more things to do to get this planner set up for February. I have all my dates in there now. And then I've been using this page in this planner for my monthly overview page. So I need to go in on this page and add my holidays and decorate. I think we'll do that in a separate video. And then of course I'll need to do some decorating. But that's my next step, is to add in my holidays. I already added a little washi tape here for the full moon. I thought that would be fun because I do kind of like to see it. It's kind of like to know. So I have this little little moon washi tape from Simply Gilded. Isn't it cute? It's so pretty. I thought that'd be fun to put on the full moon. So I put that in already. And then I put in my little cards, remember to get gas on Thursdays. I try to keep myself on a schedule. It just makes life easier. I have a reminder for this date. And then, so we're going to add in the holiday stickers and decorate this in another spread. And then I think I want to decorate. So for January, I've tried out this layout to see how I liked it. And so here's this was the first page from this planner. And what I liked about it, and I actually tried a few different things out, so I'm going to share some of that. And I think I'm going to do a little more decorating this time and share my decorating. I really like when I decorate the square. I love my mild liners in this planner. They look really good in this paper. They just are great. Also, I'm using these 2 sections, this one for a to-do list, but this one for an expenses checklist. So like, as I purchase things each day, I put them here with the amount spent so that I have that to check off against my credit card, because that's the way I do my expenses, is I put them all on one credit card. So I want to make sure the amounts are correct. and I have them like logged on the date that things were purchased. Hourly layout is not my favorite, but I love that it has lines and these little check bubbles. I like those. Also, this section, I like to kind of write in other things other than the prompts. And I just found out that if you know, some of the box stickers will fit here. So I'm going to try that out a little bit and see if I like a box sticker here. I do like the grateful for section, and anywhere I can write, I like that. This one, focusing on me, I'm going to be using for my workouts, and this too, the habit for my workouts. So that's where that's going to go. And then this, whatever you want to use it for down here, it's an intentions. You can put whatever you want there. And of course you can use your hourly however you want to. So I've been trying a few different things with it. I've tried it with a couple different checklists, and then I really like it for expense tracking there. And then I've done a few different things, but and sometimes I didn't even write on my daily at all. Most of the time I did, but I like it better when it's decorated. So I think I'm going to do some decorating on the daily spreads. All right, so let's recap. We have no teak cover, Villa Beautiful matching pen. We have the Wrong planner cover, mini discs from Happy Planner in pink. We have Go Getter Girls undated daily planner in the front, which we added our little heart stickers from Simply Gilded. And then second is the monthly classic Happy Planner that I'm using for tracking videos and video ideas, and I found that to be excellent. I've just been putting like video ideas and things I want to do on the channel and on the planner school there, and I keep track of that stuff with that planner. This is my main schedule here, and then these weeks I'm decorating and journaling in daily. Then in the back I'll add pages. Let me show you how that is in my January. I have just a plain tab and some note paper back here where I can write in notes. I have like some more things I was working on there and paper. Then I have the folder and then the sticky notes, and that's how I got it to be fit a little flatter. So I think I'm going to switch this out so the folder goes in front of the sticky notes, because it's been working just fine that way. And of course I have this nice dashboard too, so I have a really good surface here for journaling. All right, if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think about this kind of a Frankenplanner setup. I love it so much. I love it so much. I need to slide that in there. Okay, and all the stuff that I shared in this video will be in the description box, and I will see you in the next one as we decorate our monthly overview page and the weekly pages in the Go Getter Girl Planner.